Hey everyone, it's Owen. Today I want to introduce you to the remarkable functionality of our probe. The probe is specifically designed to provide precise monitoring of both the internal meat temperature with the probe tip and the ambient temperature with the tail. We've incorporated ChefsTemp's own technology and expertise to ensure accurate and smooth temperature readings. Standout features of our probe is the use of the Zirconia ceramic for the tail. Zirconia ceramic is typically found in high-end jewelry and watches due to its exceptional physical properties. By incorporating it into the tail of our probe, we've enhanced its high temperature resistance. You can confidently use our probe in grills or ovens without worrying about the tail melting, unlike some probes on the market that use plastic components. Thank you so much for your attention and stay tuned for more updates from ChefsTemp.